Hello, Coolers, and welcome back to another exciting Camp Nou construction update. Today, we have plenty of progress to cover across the stadium. Work continues at full speed on the compression ring and facade installation, while the diamond structures around the exterior continue to take shape. Several important milestones have been reached over the last 24 hours. Let's get straight into today's update. The biggest development today comes from the compression ring, where construction crews have added 2 more flange sections since the previous update. Workers are currently connecting the radial beams with a series of flange pieces, and only 1 section remains to be installed in this area before crews move on to the next support structure. The temporary support systems are already in place, showing that preparations for the next phase are well underway. At the current pace, the compression ring is advancing remarkably fast. Construction is now approaching the halfway point of the south goal area, bringing the project closer to completing one of the stadium's most important structural elements. Current projections suggest the compression ring could be fully completed by the end of August. Based on the progress visible on site, that target appears increasingly realistic. Above the stadium, multiple cranes, lifting platforms, and construction teams remain active throughout the upper sections. Workers are carrying out structural installations along the 3rd tier, while additional crews continue preparing beam connections and support elements. Construction continues across the 3rd tier seating areas, where crews are advancing wall construction and completing structural sections beneath the upper stands. Several workers can be seen operating from scaffolding platforms, while additional teams continue work throughout the interior spaces. Although some areas are difficult to view from outside the stadium, visible progress confirms that construction remains active across multiple levels. Inside the structure, lifting platforms and steel installations continue to move forward as workers prepare the next stages of development. One of today's most encouraging updates comes from the stadium facade. In the south goal area, several previously unfinished sections have now been completed with additional facade slats installed. Only a few remaining gaps still require attention, particularly around areas affected by structural equipment. Construction teams were also seen working near one of these unfinished sections, raising hopes that another gap could soon be closed. With facade materials already prepared nearby, further progress may arrive in the coming days. The visual transformation of the stadium continues to accelerate as more sections receive their final exterior appearance. Work on the mobility cores remains highly advanced. The structural framework for the future facade slats is nearly complete, while crews continue installing diagonal steel elements throughout the structure. With progress advancing steadily, anchor installation could begin soon, bringing these areas closer to the next phase of facade construction. Significant activity continues around the exterior diamond zones. The structure nearest the south goal has progressed considerably, with extensive formwork already in place and additional sections now being prepared. Nearby, crews have also started work on another diamond zone, using hydraulic equipment to clear excess concrete and prepare the area for future wall construction. One of the most exciting moments of the day came as crews lifted and installed another compression ring flange section. The operation required remarkable precision, with workers carefully guiding the massive steel component into place through constant coordination with the crane operator. After several adjustments, the section was successfully fitted into position, marking another important milestone in the expansion of the compression ring. Back at ground level, workers continue preparing the steel brackets that will support future facade installations. Several crews were seen repainting structural components and preparing connection points for the next round of support structures. Bolts, brackets, and mounting systems are being finished before the installation of additional facade elements. In nearby sections, previously unfinished facade zones have now been completed, further improving the stadium's exterior appearance. Further along the site, construction activity remains intense around multiple diamond structures. One diamond zone is now heavily populated with workers as crews continue formwork installation and preparation work. Progress is moving quickly, and additional walls are expected to be completed soon. Another diamond area has already reached a more advanced stage, with several reinforced concrete columns now fully formed. Protective coverings remain in place while the concrete cures, ensuring structural quality before the next phase begins. These exterior structures are becoming increasingly visible and will play a major role in the final stadium design. One of the standout moments of the day came in the north goal area, where crews lifted another massive compression ring box into position. Interestingly, this wasn't the first installation of the day, as another box had already been successfully placed in the south goal section earlier. The operation required remarkable precision, with workers carefully guiding the 44-ton steel component into place. Despite its enormous size, the installation progressed smoothly as crews coordinated closely to align the piece with the radial beam. After a precise alignment process, the box fitted successfully into place, marking another important milestone in the ongoing expansion of the compression ring. Meanwhile, additional construction materials continue arriving on site, while several areas of the north goal facade remain ready for the next phase of ceramic slat installation. Another important development is the arrival of a new escalator. The unit has now been delivered and positioned near the north goal corner area. This follows the arrival of another escalator in recent days and reflects ongoing progress on the stadium's future circulation systems. Installation work could begin very soon as crews continue preparing the surrounding areas. The Tribune section delivered one of today's most promising updates. Workers have started installing connection elements that will eventually support the facade slat system. This area has lagged behind other sections for some time, making today's progress particularly significant. The process follows a clear sequence: connection pieces, support structures, anchors, alignment work, and finally the installation of facade slats. While several stages still remain, visible progress confirms that work is now moving forward in this part of the stadium. This marks an important step toward bringing the Tribune facade into line with the rest of the project. We can now see growing activity around the future Barça Store, with workers visible both outside and around the main entrance. One of the most noticeable developments is the ongoing work on the ground level, where crews have begun preparing and raising sections of the floor. Inside the building, activity remains more limited for now, but progress continues steadily. With only a few months remaining before key project deadlines, some important and memorable stages of construction are still to come. Back at Gol Norte, we have another interesting update to show you. New decorative facade slats have now been installed in the false ceiling section, marking another visible step forward in the stadium's exterior transformation. The anchoring points for these slats were aligned and prepared some time ago, so this installation was expected. However, it is great to finally see the first panels in place, as they begin to give this section a more finished appearance. This is also a strong indication that work could soon expand to the neighboring sections around this corner, while workers and materials remain active throughout the area. And finally, we head into the parking area, where we get a rare behind-the-scenes look at some of the hidden infrastructure taking shape inside the stadium. Machine rooms, water treatment systems, and technical facilities are already being installed throughout the complex, highlighting the enormous amount of work happening beyond the visible construction zones. The new stadium is being built not only as one of the most modern in the world, but also as one of the most sustainable, with more than 18,000 square meters of solar panels and an advanced rainwater collection system. The project is designed to improve energy efficiency and significantly reduce water consumption across the entire complex. Overall, Camp Nou continues to make strong progress across every major construction front. The compression ring is expanding rapidly, facade installations are advancing, diamond structures are taking shape, and new infrastructure elements continue arriving on site. With activity visible across the entire stadium, the project is steadily moving toward its next major milestones. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next Camp Nou construction update.